Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and this video is going to be a short tutorial on a design and simulation software that is Tinkercad. So let's start with our video. First, go to Google Chrome or any other search engine and type Tinkercad. Now click on the first link. It may take some time. So this is the interface that you will see when you click the first link. Now on the top right corner, click on sign up. Click on create a personal account and click on sign in with Google. After that, you have to provide your email address. Now click on next. Enter your password. Again click on next. You will directly jump to the Tinkercad dashboard. So this is the interface that you will see. If you want to design any circuit, click on designs and click on new. Select circuits. It may take some time to load. Now you will see this kind of interface. So on the right side, you will see all the components that you need to design a circuit. So if you need anything, you can search it. Like, let me search Arduino Uno R3. Here you can see there are many circuits that you can practice on. So let's try to make a simple circuit and try to simulate it. Let's make a simple Arduino circuit. Let's take one LED and connect it with the Arduino. So we have connected the Arduino with the LED. Now to upload the code to the Arduino, you just need to click on the code on the top right side. Click on text, click on continue. So let's write a simple code to glow the LED. Now we have prepared a simple code to glow the LED. So let's close the code blocks, and to start the simulation, just click on start simulation. So you can see here the LED is glowing. Let's stop the simulation. As you can see here, there are many components that you can use and design many different types of circuits. So if you want to learn and practice designing different types of circuits using this simulation software, the link will be provided down in the description. So this much for today's video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, share our content and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, see you in the next video.